Hello guys, today I am here to discuss conservation of forest and wildlife in our India, which is from your chapter Forest and Wildlife Resources of Geography class 10th. Myself Avinash from MITS College, Gwalior. Now, introducing our topic. Conservation of wildlife population and forestry has become very essential nowadays. The reason behind such feeling is to preserve the ecological diversity and our life support systems like air, water and soil. It also preserves the genetic diversity of plants and animals for better growth of species and breeding of their plants. Aquatic diversity is necessary for maintaining fisheries. These all points discuss about the why conservation is necessary for all these factors. Now, methods of conservation. As the Government of India has taken many steps in order to conserve forest and wildlife in India, some of them are discussed below. The number one is Wildlife Protection Act, which was one of the most important action taken by the government at that time. It was the time around 1960 and 70 when the conservationists demanded a national wildlife protection program in order to conserve their species and wildlife protections. An act named as Indian Wildlife Protection Act was implemented by government in 72 with various provisions for protecting their habitats and species. An all India list of protected species was also published in the circular of this act. The initiative of the program was towards protecting the remaining population of certain endangered species by banning hunting, giving legal protection to their habitats, and restricting trade in wildlife. In 1991, plants were also added to this list, and only 6 plants were added at that time for different species. Now, second, establishment of reserve. In order to protect biodiversity, the Indian government has established many national park, wildlife sanctuary, bird sanctuary, and also some biosphere reserve. As a result of this, now conservation strategy focuses on biodiversity rather than a few species only. Third one, project for specific animals. The central government also announced several projects for protecting specific animals, which were gravely threatened, including the tiger, the one-horned rhinoceros, the Kashmiri stag or hangul, the 3 types of crocodile named as freshwater crocodile, saltwater, and the gharial, the Asiatic lion, and the others. Most recently, the Indian elephant black buck named as Chinkara, the great Indian bustard named as Godawan, and the snow leopard, etc., have been given full or partial legal protection against hunting and trade throughout India. Project Tiger. It was one of the well-published wildlife campaign in the world related to tiger conservation, which was first launched in India by 1973. It is administered by National Tiger Conservation Authority, abbreviated as NTCA. Tiger conservation has been viewed not only as an effort to save an endangered species, but with equal importance as a means of preserving biotypes of sizable magnitude. Tiger is one of the key wildlife species in the faunal web. In 73, the authorities realized that the tiger population has dwindled to 1827 from an estimated 55,000 at the turn of the century, which was very critical at that time. The major threats to given population of tiger are numerous, such as poaching for trade, shrinking their habitats, depletion of prey-based species, human population, etc. These all factors are responsible for threatening their population of tiger. The trade of tiger skin and the use of their bones in medicine, especially in the Asian countries, left the tiger population on the verge of extinction. Now discussing major tiger reserve of India. Number 1, Corbett National Park from Uttarakhand. Second, Bandhavgarh National Park of Madhya Pradesh. Third one, Sundarban National Park of West Bengal. Now Wildlife Sanctuary. Sariska from Rajasthan. Now Tiger Reserve. Manas from Assam. Periyar Tiger Reserve from Kerala. Last one is Nagarjuna Sagar City Silent Tiger Reserve from Andhra Pradesh. At last, I will stop myself by saying, save tigers, save human beings, save our environment. Thank you guys.